Good morning, students. In English, today we will read lesson number 11, and the name of the lesson is Where is the Pink Whale? WH WH gives the sound of W. W. Where is the pink whale? Now read new words: coat, coat, beard, beard, angry, angry, minister, minister, rupees, rupees, thief, kingdom, kingdom. Answer. Let us start the lesson. Kuber is the king of Zana. Now, Kuber is the name of the king and Zana is the name of a place. It may be a town or a city. Now, Zana, Z. जैसे हम हिंदी में Z के नीचे बिंदी लगाते हैं तो ये वो Z है, Zana. There is a difference between J and Z. J means J and Z means Z. He is sitting in his court with his minister. Now, the king is sitting in his court with his ministers. These are the ministers. A short man with a white beard comes into the court. A short man comes into the court with the white beard. And he says, "Good evening, my lord," says the man. "Good evening," says the king. "What can I do for you?" What can I do for you? Who says these words? The king says these words. "My lord, if you give me 10,000 rupees, I can get you a pink whale," says the man. The short man says, "My lord is for the king. If you give me 10,000 rupees, then I can get a pink whale for you." All the ministers in the court whistle when they hear this. When all the ministers hear this, they start laughing because a pink whale? No one has ever seen a pink whale. Because there is no pink whale, so all the ministers in the court starts laughing. The king thinks, "No other king has a pink whale. I am going to keep the pink whale in a big pink pool." Now, the king is not wise. He thinks, "No other king has a pink whale, so I am going to keep the pink whale. When can you bring the pink whale to me?" asks the king. Now the king asks from the short man, "When can you bring the pink whale for me?" "You may have the whale in 2 days' time," answers the man. Now the man gives the answer that you can get the pink whale in 2 days' time. The king tells his minister to bring 10,000 rupees. Now the king tells his ministers to bring 10,000 rupees. He gives the money to the man. He says, "If you cannot bring the whale in 2 days' time, I am going to whip you." Whip means beat. If you cannot bring the whale in 2 days, then I am going to beat you. The man takes 10,000 rupees and goes away. Now the short man takes 10,000 rupees and goes away. Next day, while taking a round of his kingdom, the king tells his minister to make a list of all the fools in his kingdom. Now, next day, what happens? The king takes a round of his kingdom and he tells his minister to make a list of all the fools. Fools means murkh. The minister makes a list. Now minister makes a list. He puts the name of the king at the top. Now minister writes the name of the king at the top of the list. When the king reads the list, he becomes very angry. And when king reads the list, he becomes very angry. Why is my name on the list? And he says to his minister, why is my name on the list? He wants to whip the minister. The minister folds his hand. He says, I am sorry, my lord, but you gave so much money to that thief. Now who is thief? The thief is the short man. Do you think he is ever going to come back with the pink veil? Now minister says to the king that, do you think he is going to come back with the pink veil? The king asks, what if he brings the veil? Then, my lord, says the minister, I will take out your name from the top of the list and put my name there. Now, the minister tells that, my lord, if the short man comes, then I will cut your name from the top of the list and write my name there. All the other ministers laugh. Now, all the ministers start laughing. Do you enjoy this story? Now, read this story 2 times. Okay.